Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right balancer. Application for HTTP/HTTPS, network for TCP-level performance. Once decided, create a target group and define protocol, port, and a health check-in point. This is your immediate guardrail. Next, register EC2 instances or IPs into that target group and confirm they span at least 2 subnets for high availability. Make sure security groups allow the health check and application ports so targets appear healthy. Doing these first prevents needless. Once your targets are healthy, you configure listeners and routing rules. Create a listener on port 80 and 443 as needed, then forward traffic to the target group. Use path-based or host-based rules to split traffic between services. If you need session affinity, enable stickiness with an appropriate duration. For secure traffic, request or import an ACM certificate and associate it with the HTTPS listener. Then add a redirect rule from HTTP to HTTPS, so clients always use encryption. You finish by testing and instrumenting. Point a Route 53 record to the balancer, hit your endpoints, and validate TLS and response codes. Enable access logs and CloudWatch metrics so you can track latency, healthy host count, and request errors. Integrate with auto-scaling by specifying the target group so instances join automatically. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip. Confirm security groups and instance listeners allow the health check and app port. Most failing health checks come from blocked ports.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.